When we enter the cosmic life of mathematics, we find numbers and computational operations that form cycles of life, just like in the real world. Computation is the system, while numbers are its material. A fundamental question arises: where do numbers and calculations in this mathematical realm originate from? Investigation after investigation leads us to one answer: everything originates from the number 1. 2 comes from 1 plus 1, 3 comes from 1 plus 1 plus 1, and all numbers are born from this addition. But before you step into the deeper chapters, let me reveal something surprising. What truly exists is this unbroken sequence: 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus to infinity. We call it 2 when we reach 1 plus 1. We call it 3 when we reach 1 plus 1 plus 1. This means we are the ones creating the segmentation. What has actually existed from the beginning is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus. Without end, without limit. If the number 2 comes from the addition of 1 plus 1, then the next question echoes even deeper: where does the number 1 itself come from? There are several possibilities. It comes from 0 plus 0 or a half plus a half. However, none are proven. 0 plus 0 will forever be 0. Meanwhile, 1 half only exists when the number 1 already exists first to be divided in 2. Actually, there are 6 hypotheses about this, but my conclusion is, the number 1 is eternal. It has no beginning. I'm sure you'll agree that in this cosmic mathematical universe, there is only one number 1. There is no other number 1 that resembles it. This raises a mind-shaking philosophical question. When you write 1 plus 1, the 1 on the left is the true 1, so who is the 1 on the right? Who is this unlimited series of 1s? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus. From here, I discovered a new theory and understanding. When you enter the metaphysical realm, 1 plus 1 is not 2, but remains 1. And so on. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 1. Of course, this sounds odd. It might even sound wrong according to conventional mathematics. And you're right, this is indeed not conventional mathematics. This is mathematical metaphysics.